Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who watch all my videos in Turkey, man. I'm just on another stop off, guys. You know, so after saying goodbye to Turkey, thank you so much, guys. You know, in Antalya, you know, so I'm back now, guys. There's one more stop off, and definitely I'm traveling on to our next journey, guys. But this is really going to be interesting, guys, because I don't think anyone is going to get this one right for sure. What country am I traveling to, guys, after Turkey? And I'm not going to give no clue if it's Europe, Asia, South America, or wherever I'm going. But I just want you guys to guess this country. But it's not a European country. That's all I'm going to say, guys. This next country is not a European country. So what country do I travel next? So just in the airport going through now, guys, to get the flight. And today, I'm not even going to tell you the airline I'm flying with. So you guys might get a clue with the airline I'm flying. But this one is an international airline I'm flying with, guys, onto my next journey. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys at the terminal.
Nice to see you today on Virgin Atlantic.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome, Kurt. Go across and turn right, my friend.
Thank you so much, man. Hello. It's quite nice on here. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Hello.
Hello, you okay?
Not too bad, you right? Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Each door opens and escape slide should inflate automatically. You can start to use our Vera entertainment system in a few moments.
Finally, I'm on the flight now, guys, and I am ready to travel. So once and again, thank you so much for watching all of my videos in Turkey. And it's time to move on to my next journey. I will not reveal what country I'm going to until I get into that country, guys. Once I get in the airport, I will tell you where I'm at now, guys. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you over the other side, guys. God bless you all. See you.
keep your seatbelt fastened until Captain Frank turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. However, you are now free to use your mobile phone. As we need to keep all exits and aisles clear, we will return any items that we've stowed for you as soon as we arrive at the gate. Well, before you leave us, it's really important to remember to check around your seat, but especially in your seat pockets, just to make sure that you've got all your personal belongings with you, including passports, wallets and smaller items. When you're opening the overhead lockers, please be mindful of items may have moved. If you'd like to donate any loose change or foreign currency to our Save the Children impact causes, there'll be a collection bag available as you say goodbye. Well, next time you travel with us, remember to download the Virgin Atlantic app to manage your booking and check-in online. If you haven't already done so, please join our brilliant Flying Club programme to collect Virgin points today for a massive range of exciting benefits. Well, I sincerely hope that you've enjoyed your time on board with us on today's flight. I do know that you've got a choice of airlines to fly with to Montego Bay, so on behalf of Captain Frank, myself, my lovely crew, we do thank you for choosing Virgin Atlantic. Whatever brings you to Jamaica, whether you're on holiday, visiting friends or family, or returning home, have a lovely evening, do sleep well. It's goodbye for now, have a pleasant onward journey, and I really do look forward to welcoming you back on board a service again soon. Thank you, and a very good evening.
Finally, I've just arrived, guys, in the country, you know. I got my guy over there, D-Mac, he's over there, man. But guys, big welcome, man. What country I just arrived in, guys? I just arrived in Jamaica, guys. Welcome to Jamaica in Montego Bay. D-Mac is here. Big welcome, guys, man. Best man. I know you guys never see this coming. I just arrived in Jamaica. I know you guys would never get this one right. That is Jamaica I'm arriving, guys, you know. So finally, Ballskirk 4K travel in Jamaica, and thank you so much for everyone who've been watching my videos in Turkey, man. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. God bless you all, man. It's time now to go with Mr. Mac now. It's time to go home, guys, you know. But guys, see you, and God bless you all. My taxi, not even taxi, you know. My best friend D-Mac there, guys, you know. And don't forget to go and check out his channel as well, guys. As his name appeared on the screen, I'm going to put his link down into the description, where it's a lot more easier, where it will forward to his channel a lot quicker than you typing it in your phone, your device, and laptops. Anyway, guys, my car is right there, so that's what I'm going to be driving in. And straight in the air we go, guys, you know. Yeah. But anyway, guys, once and again, man, I have to just thank you so much for watching all my videos in Turkey, guys. I know, thank you so much for making me returning back to Turkey, but I'm sure after this country, I'm sure you're going to want me to come back to Jamaica. That's my taxi there, guys. That's the ride I'm going to be taking. But this time is no room tour, guys, you know, because this is Jamaica, the land of Ballskirk 4K travel. Stay safe, guys, and see you the next morning. as the next day arrive here in Jamaica, guys. I have just arrived here. Yeah, it took me a long time to drive here, guys. So I've just arrived here in the province of Montego Bay. This is where I'm gonna wrap up the vlog anyway, guys. So different places in Jamaica, guys. So thank you so much, man. Once again, man, for watching me traveling all the way in Jamaica, guys, man. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate everything. Every one of you have been watching my videos all around the world, man. I really hope you guys are gonna enjoy Jamaica. Sure, you're gonna enjoy Jamaica, because I'm gonna do the content in a very different way, guys. So enjoy Jamaica, man. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to also go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour, as his name appeared on the screen. Yes, DMAC 4K World Tour is with me here in Jamaica, guys. Yes, I come here in Jamaica, meet up with him, so thank God for that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. Thank you so much, guys. I'm signing out from Montego Bay in the province here in Jamaica.